Alright, welcome back everyone. So what we're looking at here is two prototype products. These are made by my friend Jesus. These are 3D printed. I think for those of you who are coding installers are gonna like this product here. I'll post all his contact information down below. You guys can reach out to him and order one if you guys want. I know he's got different colors coming in. Again, he can customize the way you want it. But we'll go over prototype number 1 as I was using it, and then we'll come back with prototype number 2. So again, what these are is actually a coating bottle holder. So again, you put your coating in here. This opening here is designed for a 50 ml bottle. For example, the Adams 50 ml paint coating, or Quartz skin, which comes in 50 ml. Right. So what this comes in handy is if you're doing a two-part coating system like Quartz UK and Gliss, you can just put it in there. So these 30 ml bottles fit in here just fine. They're not going to fall out or anything. So you can do that. But where this comes in handy is you put this on your detailing cart if you're coating. That way, if you're you don't misplace your bottle when you put it down somewhere. Same thing with the applicator. Once you you can put your applicator down in here, and you can go and level your coating, and then come back and put more coating on here and continue. Now this blue one, you can see it's a little taller. And we'll go over some of the features that I had them change, because I had them change. I'll leave that in there. Take it out. I had them change this because I'm transitioning over to larger bottles, 50 ml, 100 ml, and so these 100 ml bottles of Quartz wouldn't fit in this one. So I was actually storing it like that, and I was storing the applicator on an angle like so. So again, as I used it, I was like, okay, I'll provide some feedback, and he can make some design changes to it, which he came back with this blue one. So this blue one, he actually made a custom one for me, where this is actually, I'm going to go up this way, a 100 ml opening and a 50 ml opening. So now I can actually put, I'm going to leave that bottle in there, a 100 ml bottle of Quartz in here, no problem. And again, I could have actually put the 30 ml bottle in here, and since it's a little higher, it sits in there a little deeper. And again, no issues there. But it retains the same 50 ml opening, so I can put the Adams paint coating on there. Now, for the applicator portion, there's a couple new features. So he's got these guide rails here, and he's got this ring in here, and you're probably going, what's that for? This ring is actually so I can actually put another 100 ml bottle in there if I wanted to, and that way if I'm using both, I can store both on there. But at the same time, what it does is it raises the applicator height, so you can actually grab it much easier than this one. And one of the things I was thinking about when I was using this one is, after I'm done using an applicator side, it's still wet with coating, so if I was putting it down in here, it was going to get everywhere. So I was actually putting like a paper towel in there, so I wouldn't transfer coating solution on there. But now with this guide rail in here, I can pop it in there and have no problems worrying about that. Let me put that in here. And what it does is actually raises the applicator block, the foam block. You can see it's raised to where we expose the orange block here, and it's easier to grab out of there. But one of the other features that's kind of neat here, let me get these bottles out of the way, I'll just get that one out, is now you can actually rest it against that piece there, and you got your guide rails in there to prop up the applicator like so. Again, you can do the same thing with this applicator if you wanted to, just in case you're running 200 ml bottles. You can actually just pop them in there and be good to go. So those are some of the design features for this prototype, which he provided for me. So if you guys are interested in possibly having a custom one made, again, reach out to him, and he can hook you up with whatever you're looking for. Again, this fits in there just fine. I think it's a cool thing to have. Again, you put on your detailing cart, and you can just put your products on there so you don't lose them. Again, if you want a bigger opening, reach out to him. If you want the 50 ml openings on both of these, so be it. But again, he's open to making some changes. For example, I'm providing feedback if you're using these larger microfiber applicators. You know, this is the coating saver, this blue and gray one here, and this is just a regular microfiber applicator. You know, for these, you're still going to have to stand them up on the side here. So he's trying to possibly make it so that these guide rails are a little higher, and you can actually hold your applicator standing tall. All right, and then, so just some things to think about as how open he is to provide design changes for these type of holders here. So again, these are out. If you guys are interested, reach out to him. His contact information is down below. You guys, and follow him on Instagram as well. He does some good work there. He posts up some stuff. He has his I'm going to post his YouTube channel if you guys want to follow his channel, and then of course his email address if you guys want to reach out to him and contact him. So again, thanks for watching. Yeah, give this a shot, and I'm sure he can provide you one. I don't know how much these are going to cost when he starts selling them, but again, keep an eye out. Perhaps you can help him out in terms of playing around with it some more and then provide some feedback. So again, reach out to him. He'll provide you all the information you need, and you can go from there. All right, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.